Wake up to reality. Life is not always going to be roses and rainbows. You're going to have uncomfortable moments. It's what we do with those moments that is going to count and determine our destiny. Move out of your comfort zone. You can only grow if you are willing to feel awkward and uncomfortable when you try something new. Do you feel the cozy comfort of your daily routine wrapping around you like a warm blanket? Be cautious, for within this comfort lies the death of ambition. Dreams are not born in comfort. They are forged in the fires of discomfort. Every significant achievement in history has emerged from adversity, from the relentless pursuit of something beyond the safety of comfort. Look around at the remnants of shattered dreams left by those who chose the easy path. The journey to greatness is filled with hardships, trials, and tribulations. It demands sacrifice, resilience, and unyielding determination. Comfort is the silent enemy waiting to extinguish the flames of your potential. I urge you to rise from the comforting embrace of your routine. Embrace discomfort, uncertainty, and fear, for it is in these moments of struggle that your true strength is revealed. Do not let the allure of comfort create a false sense of security. Let the phrase "comfort kills dreams" be etched into your soul as a reminder of the cost of complacency. Let it ignite a fire within you to strive for greatness and pursue your dreams with relentless passion. Remember, it is not those who remain comfortable who shape the world, but those who dare to defy the status quo. Step boldly into the unknown, for it is there that dreams are forged and greatness is achieved. Break free from mediocrity and resist the gravitational pull of comfort. Embrace the discomfort of uncertainty, for it is the breeding ground of innovation and growth. In the darkness of discomfort, you will discover the light of your potential shining brighter than ever before. Embrace the challenges that come your way, for they are the stepping stones on the path to greatness. Do not fear failure, for it is merely a temporary setback on the journey to success. Each stumble is a lesson learned, each setback an opportunity to rise stronger and wiser. Let the echoes of "comfort kills dreams" serve as a rallying cry, a battle hymn for those who refuse to be confined by the limitations of comfort. Let it be the anthem of your defiance against the status quo, for it is only when we step out of our comfort zones that we truly come alive. Go forth fearless and unyielding, and seize the greatness that awaits you beyond the confines of comfort. Your dreams are calling. Growth resides in discomfort. It is in moments of unease, uncertainty, and challenge that we find the fertile ground for personal evolution. Consider the caterpillar snug within its cocoon. It is only through the struggle of breaking free from its comfortable confinement that it transforms into a majestic butterfly. We too must embrace discomfort as the catalyst for our own transformation. It is when we dare to step beyond the familiar shores of our comfort zone that we unlock hidden reservoirs of potential within ourselves. We discover strengths we never knew we possessed, skills we never knew we could master, and dreams we never dared to pursue. Every stumble, every setback, every moment of discomfort is a signpost on the journey of personal growth. It is nature's way of nudging us out of complacency and propelling us towards our fullest potential. Do not shrink from discomfort, but embrace it with open arms. Embrace the uncertainty of the unknown, for it is the crucible in which your character is forged. Embrace the challenges that come your way, for they are the stepping stones on the path to greatness. Step boldly into discomfort, for it is there that you will find the true essence of who you are and who you are meant to become. Feel the exhilaration of pushing past your limits, of stretching yourself beyond what you once thought possible. Embrace the discomfort of growth, for it is a sign that you are expanding, evolving, becoming more than you were yesterday. Do not let fear hold you back from the grand adventure that awaits beyond your comfort zone. Let courage be your guide as you navigate the uncharted territories of your potential. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Countless others are traversing similar paths, facing similar fears and overcoming similar obstacles. Draw strength from their stories, their triumphs, and their resilience. In the shared struggle lies the seed of camaraderie, the bond that unites us all in our quest for growth and self-discovery. Together, we can weather the storms of discomfort and emerge stronger, wiser, and more alive than ever before. So embrace discomfort, embrace the journey of growth, for it is a journey that will lead you to the very essence of your being. The saying, "No pain, no gain," is often repeated, but it's true. You need to welcome pain both mentally and physically. If you can't, you'll remain stagnant. Many don't understand the true feeling of being hurt. When you're hurt, you rest. Take your vitamins and recuperate. But when I'm hurt, I relish it. That pain is the most authentic feeling you can have. Happiness can be fake, tears can be deceptive, but pain is genuine. Think about anything great in your life. Did it come from being comfortable? Today's society strives for comfort, seeking convenience, speed, and ease. However, all the remarkable achievements in my life and in the lives of high achievers stem from discomfort. Realize that avoiding pain, struggle, and challenges means choosing mediocrity and moving further from your goals. Hardship, pain, struggle, and frustration are what develop the skills needed to become a champion. Every person who has accomplished something significant, be it artists, authors, mathematicians, has faced difficulties. There is no easy path. Everyone encounters issues. Embracing a new life involves facing challenges. Everyone faces this, which is why most people don't succeed. This is what hard work feels like, and it's why many people fail. Persisting through discomfort is a signal, a guide. If everything were easy, how would you achieve something unique? Discomfort is a key indicator of value. The path with the most discomfort often leads to the greatest rewards. Push through pain, and you'll find glory on the other side. This often involves stepping out of your comfort zone. There are two kinds of pain: pain that breaks you and pain that changes you. The latter is the pain of progress. The former is the regret later in life when you realize you could have been more. Embrace your life. You have every opportunity. There's no excuse not to be the hardest worker in every aspect. School, work, the gym, career, relationships. Your name is attached to your efforts, and it must mean everything. That's your identity. Don't compromise it. Those who endure more pain, suffering, obstacles, setbacks, and failure will ultimately succeed. It's straightforward. Toughen up and face challenges head on, just like your ancestors did. This is your purpose. Pain is temporary. It may last a minute, an hour, a day, or even a year, but it will eventually fade and be replaced by something else. If you quit, however, the regret will last forever. I was homeless for 2.5 years. Many of you have never truly experienced pain. You're spoiled. Your parents have done everything for you. You've never had to fend for yourself. Some of you are spoiled brats. Whenever you face trouble, someone bailed you out. So when things get tough, you quit. You call home. I challenge you to endure pain. How dare you avoid it? Someone said, "I need to go home. I feel bad." No, go through it. You won't die from a little pain. Pain in your muscles, the aching, the final repetitions. That's what builds muscle. That's what separates champions from non-champions. If you can endure this pain barrier, you'll become a champion. If not, forget it. What most people lack is the courage to push through. The pain you feel is the pain of success. You must be willing to endure it to achieve greatness. Success is a lonely journey because few are willing to pay the price of pain for future rewards. Few are. Failure is essential to success. You fail many times before you succeed. Every successful person has failed. The difference between winners and losers is that winners get back up and try again. The road to success is lonely, but it's the only one that leads to a life worth remembering. Pain is beautiful. Challenges define life. A life without challenge and pain is a life without growth. Where there's no growth, there's stagnation. Most people design their lives to avoid challenges. As soon as they face pain, they retreat. This instinct is natural, but weak. Your vitality is found in pain. Embrace it, love it, and grow from it. Life isn't always about conquering. Often it's about enduring. So good luck. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, my friend.